What's your favorite Yiddish word and why?
My favorite Yiddish word. Oh, I just learned the word for to knit, the verb today. I think it's strieken. Strieken. It's a fun word. I also like any words that involve like shve or oi, like teure or schwarz. I like the sounds.
What about the knitting word? Do you?
The knitting. I like the str because there's so many consonants in a row that is not possible, that you just don't use in English, and I like that. Yiddish defies linguistic possibilities, and I love that about it.